Let's make Dalgona candy. You'll need 1 tablespoon sugar and a pinch of baking soda. Melt the sugar in a small pan. I use a 1-egg frying pan, but if you have a gas stove, you can also use a stainless steel ladle or a large metal spoon. Just be careful not to burn your fingers. Add baking soda to the melted sugar while stirring. The baking soda will make the mixture expand and turn it into a golden beige foam. Magic! Transfer the mass to a cookie sheet lined with baking paper. If you don't have a cookie sheet, you can use any other non-sticky trays or surfaces. Place a wooden stick in the middle of what will later be the lower half of the Dalgona lollipop. Wait a few seconds before pressing the Dalgona mass into a thin disc. I used the bottom of a glass jar, but you can use any flat object of appropriate size. Before the Dalgona mass hardens, use a cookie cutter to decorate the candy. So my Dalgona is a bit thicker and a lot uglier than most other Dalgona out there, and I got some really big bubbles from the baking soda. So the surface of my Dalgona is not very smooth, but more crater-like. And I think this might be because I didn't stir the baking soda and sugar enough before transferring to the cookie sheet. Wanna see how Dalgona is made by a pro? Watch this!